Hi, my name is Mike Daniels, Service Manager here at Porsche Ontario. Today I'd like to take a moment to explain to you the service journey when you visit us and how we make that visit as enjoyable and as convenient as possible. When you're ready to have your Porsche serviced, we offer multiple options for scheduling an appointment. You can easily make an appointment online, over the phone, or with one of our friendly service representatives who will help you schedule your appointment. They will go over all of the details regarding the type of service needed and make any additional notations for your service advisor to be aware of. Once you arrive at Porsche Ontario, you will be greeted by our welcoming team of Porsche service advisors. Our advisors are equipped with digital mobile devices to expedite and enhance your service experience. These devices allow us to perform and record visual inspection of your vehicle and access valuable communication to ensure that you and your advisor can create the best action plan for your Porsche. Your vehicle will then be inspected and evaluated by the next available certified Porsche technician that has been factory trained to work on your Porsche. Once your vehicle has been inspected by our certified, trained Porsche technician, you will then receive a video link that will explain the inspection results and any concerns identified. This video also provides a visual explanation of any recommended repairs to ensure your safety on the road. Depending on the type of maintenance being performed and the estimated time requirements, we offer courtesy loaner vehicles and other transportation options to help minimize any inconvenience during your service appointment. During your service experience, we offer several guest amenities. We offer Uber or Lyft rideshare options to get you back from your home or to your office. You can receive a complimentary loaner vehicle while your vehicle is here in service with an advanced reservation. We will provide you with a comp car wash and vacuum with every service. Enjoy a cup of coffee, tea, water, or your favorite snack while you wait for service. Enjoy our guest lounge equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi. You can catch up on work or stay connected while we take care of your vehicle. Lastly, we offer express checkout. Expedite your checkout conveniently and pay for your invoice online and have your vehicle ready for pickup in advance. At Porsche Ontario, we understand that with every new Porsche innovation comes new service information. This means our service technicians are always prepared with the latest bulletins, information, tools, and training. We only use Porsche genuine parts, which deliver the performance, reliability, safety, and driving pleasure that you expect. Our team here at Porsche Ontario cares about your Porsche and shares that Porsche passion. So give us a call today or schedule your appointment online. We look forward to servicing your vehicle and providing you with that exceptional Porsche service experience.